Hello students. Let's see further about activity 4. As you observed in activity first and second, painters use different colors and they have different styles of painting. There are many artists who use different media to express themselves like stone, clay, fabric, iron and other metals. Andy Goldsworthy is a unique artist who uses mixed media. He is a British sculptor, photographer and environmentalist, producing site-specific sculpture and land art situated in natural and urban settings. He lives and works in Scotland. You might have seen on television also like sand art. The people who make with the help of sand, they are making different designs on glass, and under that glass there is some camera and light focusing on that glass is there. With this video I will also share with you the sand art also, the link of the sand art also. Andy produces artwork using natural materials such as flowers, mud, ice, leaves, twigs, pebbles, boulders, snow, thorns, bark, grass, and pine cones. And his works are made up of all natural objects in a natural environment. For example, here uh, in our country, you can see while we are having some different festivals of different religion, we use to make some rangoli with the help of some natural elements or natural things. For example, the people those who are celebrating Diwali, in that time, in those days, we are making rangoli with the help of what we say, green leaves and petals of flowers also. Let's see further. His works are made of all natural objects in a natural environment. Much of his works are made outside and is meant to be temporary. He photographs the artwork and then allows it to remain in the natural environment and decay at its own rate. Goldsworthy says he works with nature as a whole and doesn't use man-made tools to produce his sculpture and installations. He do some installations. Now, let's see further. The question about here is, do you know who is an environmentalist and why do you think an artist like Andy is called an environmentalist? Let's see about this. Let's focus on this question. An environmentalist broadly supports the goals of the environment. He seeks to improve and protect the quality of the natural environment through changes to environmentally harmful human activities, and is called an environmentalist because his works are made up of all natural objects. He does not use any man-made tools, right? That's why he works with nature as a whole. He prepares an artwork but then allows it to remain in a natural environment, right? And last and not the least, he does not exploit nature or disturb the nature for his selfish motives, right? So this was the answer of environmentalist, right? Okay. Now, I hope you understood here activity 4 very well. Now let's see about activity 5. Here you can see the pictures very well. These two photographs show how Andy created an artwork. Talk to your partner and write what Andy might have done to get the impression on the land, and why do you think Andy created this work or this artwork. Let's see the answer of this question, that Andy must have lain down on the earth, and he would have allowed leaves and sand, stones, etc. fall on himself and in his surrounding in a large quantity. The area covered on the earth by his body did not get covered with the things fallen on him, and so that area had the clear impression of his body, we can say like this. And he is an environmentalist, so it is quite clear he does not use any man made things, right, to create this artwork. Therefore he used natural objects and left the impression like this. And after taking the photograph, he left the impression to get decayed on its own, and he does not want to harm, or what we say, as an environmentalist, he does not disturb the things of environment that much. And after that he got this impression, you can see, right. Okay, let's see activity 6. Think of some natural objects around you that can be used to create an artwork, and list them and draw a rough sketch of what you would like to create using some of them. See, for this question answer, if I'll say we can use to create an artwork are like sand, clay, stones, leaves, twigs, that means dry stick or dry branches of some small branch or big branch of tree or some small plants, grass, flowers, mud, ice, pebbles or pieces of rocks, water, snow, thorns, and many more things like vegetables, fruits, etc. We can use it to make like see some natural object, right. So you can do your own, draw a rough sketch of what you would like to create using like all these things, right. Okay, fine. So I hope you understood here both activities, activity number 4, 5 and 6 very well. Thank you.